Have you ever wondered what most guys really want deep down? It's simple. We want to be treated like kings. But let's be honest, a lot of guys feel like they're far from getting that royal treatment. If that's you, don't worry. You're about to get a fresh perspective that will transform how you approach women and relationships. This isn't just another video about relationships. It's a wake-up call that will make you stand out from the crowd. By the time we're done, you'll have the tools to command respect, build attraction, and feel like the king you've always wanted to be. So, stick around because this might just change your life. 1. Are you strong or weak? The test you don't know about. Ever notice how sometimes women act strange around you? Maybe they're suddenly cold, distant, or even downright mean. A lot of guys just call it crazy behavior. But here's the truth. It's not random. What's really happening is a subconscious test. Women don't even realize they're doing it, but their behavior is designed to assess your inner strength. Now, let me clear this up. She's not sitting there thinking, "Oh, I'm going to mess with him today." Nope. These tests aren't planned. They're instinctive, deeply rooted in human nature. When a woman acts mean, it's her way of figuring out, are you strong and grounded, or are you weak and reactive? Here's the kicker. Your reaction matters more than you think. When a woman throws some attitude or drama your way, how you respond is everything. If you stay calm, unshaken, and confident, she'll find you even more attractive. But if you snap, yell, or overreact, you fail the test, and her respect for you takes a nosedive. Most guys fall into this trap. They either yell back, try to control her, or worse, get scared and tolerate bad behavior to avoid conflict. But that's exactly what makes her lose respect for you over time. The secret? Don't give in, and don't overreact. When you stand your ground with calm confidence, you'll earn her respect and reignite her attraction. 2. Show her you have options. Here's something most guys miss. Women are drawn to men who have options. When a woman acts out, it's not because she wants to drive you away. On the contrary, she's testing to see if you're the kind of guy who will put up with nonsense, or if you're someone who values himself enough to walk away. Let me make this clear. Women don't want a needy guy. They're wired to be attracted to strength, independence, and self-worth. If you're constantly at her feet, tolerating bad behavior, you're showing her that you're desperate, and desperation kills attraction. Here's the move. Don't tolerate disrespect. If she's treating you poorly, stand your ground and make it clear you won't stick around for that. And here's the magic. You don't even need actual options to make this work. You just need to communicate through your actions that you could leave if you wanted to. When she knows that you're not afraid to walk away, her behavior will change. She'll respect you more, and her attraction will grow. Most guys do the opposite. They get scared to lose her, so they put up with bad behavior again and again. But every time you do that, you're chipping away at her respect for you. The stronger play? Let her know you have options. Even the hint that you're not afraid to move on will make her see you in a whole new light. 3. Breakup strategy. Show her you're totally fine. Here's where most guys mess up big time. After a breakup, they get stuck in the worst loop imaginable. They text her constantly, beg her to come back, and act like their entire world is crumbling without her. But here's a game-changing truth. The strongest move you can make after a breakup is to show her that you're completely fine without her. This doesn't mean pretending to be okay. It means actually being okay. When you show her that your happiness doesn't depend on her, something incredible happens. She starts to wonder, did I make the wrong choice? Here's why this works. Women are attracted to confidence and independence. If she sees that you can live your life happily without her, it creates a psychological shift. She'll start seeing you as strong and desirable again. On the flip side, if you're constantly texting and chasing her, you're only confirming that you're needy and desperate. Two things that kill attraction instantly. So, the next time you're faced with a breakup, don't panic. Instead, show her through your actions that you're fine. Focus on yourself, your goals, and your happiness. She'll notice. 4. Women don't want power. They want a strong partner. A common misconception guys have is that women want control in a relationship. But here's the truth. Women don't want to dominate. They want to feel safe, secure, and respected. Women are naturally drawn to men who are confident, driven, and in control of their own lives. They don't want a partner they can walk all over. They want someone they can look up to. Here's where a lot of guys go wrong. They give up their power in relationships. They bend over backward to please her, sacrifice their own needs, and let her call all the shots. But guess what? The more you give up your self-respect, the less attractive you become to her. The fix? Focus on yourself and your purpose. Women are magnetically drawn to men who are on a mission, chasing their dreams, and living life on their terms. When you're busy building your life, she'll naturally see you as someone worth chasing. 5. Bouncing back stronger than ever. Here's a reality check. Even if you handle her tests well, she might try again later. That's just how it works. But don't see it as a bad thing. See it as an opportunity to reinforce your strength. When she tests you again, stay consistent. Show her that you're still the strong, grounded man she was initially attracted to. Over time, her respect and attraction will deepen. And here's a pro tip. Even if you don't have other options lined up, just acting like you do can completely shift how she sees you. Women are wired to respect men who aren't afraid to walk away. 6. Don't be a treasure hunter. Too many guys treat women like treasure, something rare and irreplaceable. This scarcity mindset leads them to tolerate bad behavior and settle for less than they deserve. But here's the secret. There are plenty of incredible women out there. When you stop treating one woman like she's your only shot at happiness, you gain the freedom to demand respect. When you approach relationships from a place of abundance, you'll notice something amazing. Women will treat you better, show more interest, and respect you more. The best way to win with women? Stop playing games altogether. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Confident, independent, and purpose-driven. When you stop chasing, stop tolerating disrespect, and start valuing yourself, you'll see a dramatic shift in how women treat you. So, take this advice, apply it, and watch your relationships transform. And if you want more insights like this, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Your best life is waiting. Are you ready?